Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fania Prilia. I'm individual presentation. What is consecutive interpreting? Consecutive interpreting is a method of oral interpretation in which the interpreter delivers the message after the speaker has finished speaking in the particular segment. There are five references of consecutive interpreting. The first on DAM IV 2012, Consecutive Interpreting in Handbook of Translation Studies. According to DAM, consecutive interpreting is one of the main types of oral interpreting basis simultaneous. In this method, the interpreter conveys the message after the speaker finishes speaking. Dan Heavy divides the two main stages from the first stage. One, comparison, namely listening and noting important point. Two, reformation, namely researching in the target language from one long sequential, namely with systematic notes, two short sequence, namely sentence by sentence. Next, the second, Russell D. and Takeda 2005, consecutive interpreting in the Routledge interpreting in the Routledge Handbook of Interpreting. Colonomos on 1900 and Antibody success 3 stages of cognitive processing in translation, namely assessing short-term or long-term memory and constructing the target language based on linguistic and cultural knowledge. Other inventional theories are the Confiscatory formal and the Ever model. Gale was handled of the translator limited cognitive capacity of translation. Focus social, cultural, and communication coordination aspect. Next, Wu and Wang 2009, sequential interpretation, a discourse approach toward adaptation of Gale of Ever model meta. Consecutive interpretation is a complex process involving various cognitive models, including the colonial model, which emphasizes the habits of short-term and long-term memory, and the Holy model, which outlines the cycle from message processing to production. Next, now in Wu and Wang reference, there are two studies. The first of Alexia with highly contextual factor and interaction dynamic that affect the success of interpretation. And the second, well, through the F4 model, was emphasizes the limited capacity of working memory, which is often a major aspect in real practice. Next, Rahman Panah 2002, 3 consecutive interpreting strategies, a critical review, Journal of Applied Linguistics and Language Resources. Consecutive interpreting is a form of oral interpreting that is done after the speaker has finished delivering part of this speech. In practice, the speaker pauses to give the interpreting a chance to restore the content of the message in the target language. Next, two types of translation. The first is short version, 2 on 3 sentences, and the second is long version, longer, complex, religious, FD on notice. Next, Kuswoyo and Audina 2020, consecutive translation consecutive interpreting strategies in a core setting, a study of English to Indonesian translation technostic. This study examines consecutive interpreting strategies a core context, focusing on the Jessica Kumala Wongso case in Indonesia. Consecutive interpreting is a method of interpreting in which the interpreter conveys the message after the speaker has stopped speaking. Next, there are three strategies. 1. Not talking and information retention. 2. Memory techniques, mind query. And finally, mastery of legal terminology. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.